In this lesson, we'll convert the document to CMYK for printing purposes, and we'll also merge the adjustment levels layer with duplicating the artwork layer. So this blue that we're currently using looks really dark. And one thing you have to know about printing and colors is you want to use lighter colors, even if it's a dark color, because when you print, colors are darker than what we see on the screen when we're creating the art. You have to remember that there's light on the computer screen showing these vivid, bright, beautiful colors. And when we print the page with the colors, it's in the real world with inks, and there's no lights behind the paper to shine the colors. So before we do anything, let's cancel the color picker and go to the image mode. Remember when we talked about RGB and CMYK? Well, if we're going to be printing this artwork, we need to paint the art in CMYK color. Watch what happens to the blue when I click on CMYK color. So the first thing that happens is we get a dialog box that says, changing modes will discard an adjustment layer. Change mode anyway, click OK, and then click OK again. See how the blue dimmed down? If we turn off the artwork layer, this is what that color looks like. Let's turn the art back on again, and we're missing that levels layer. It's disappeared, right? So let's go down to the black and white circle again and click on levels, and let's add our levels again to this piece. Just bring the blacks in, play with the whites, and play with the midtones. Get them where you want them. So the levels darkened the colors. See that? So what we actually have to do is this. We have to merge these two layers together. We are going to do this destructively. So this is one thing that I usually do. I want to keep the original art. So what I do is this. I'll right click on that layer and I'll duplicate it. Click OK. And I'll merge the levels layer with the duplicated artwork. I'll have the original art layer for later. Let me turn that off. Select the levels layer, right click on it, and merge it down to the art copy layer so they merge together. Did you notice that the colors went back to a faded blue? Because the adjustable levels layer is not there anymore. It's merged with the art copy layer. Do a Command S to save. This lesson will continue in the next video.